The following program contains adult language, poor taste in jokes, racial slurs, political slurs, slants, and all sorts of things that, if you are sensitive and have a delicate constitution, you should probably go watch Teletubbies. You were warned.
I ain't drunk, I'm just drinking. But you're so high. Oh man, you know I ain't high.
But you're so high.
Yeah, well I just take a little sip every now and then.
But you're so high.
You ought to be ashamed of
Stay
yourself.
drunk all
Oh,
the
come on now,
time.
you all don't feel like that.
All right, kids, we are flying, Ian's flying, Blackhawk's flying the monster build from the build-off videos. This is the most insane bird. Look at that. This is the third pack we've destroyed, and I mean that literally. It's just...
This pack's not liking life.
Nope. Kill it. I don't care. Oh my god. Good lord. Oh my fucking god. Kill it. Puff that motherfucker. It's a holiday. Can't even see it. I hope you guys can appreciate how fast this bird is. Oh my god. This is the third pack that we've put through this bird. Full throttle. There it goes. Kill it. All right. This is the third pack that we've put. Minute 30? Minute 30 on a 1375C. This is the third battery we've probably destroyed on this bird. And it's just so fucking fast. I'm like crying by laughing. It's just, it's just absolutely stupid. Now, the motors, believe it or not, aren't even warm. I mean, they're warm. It's 90 degrees out. No shit, it's warm. But that battery is melting hot. XT60's hotter than fuck. Feel that.
Really?
Woo! Oh, kids.
Hey!
Hang on. Hi.
What battery?
Wow, shit, that's hot. All right. If you have $250 and want to blow your fucking minds, go build this bird. I'm telling you. It's not puffy, though. I'm impressed.
No, the last one didn't puff either. So
I think.
I don't know.
Yeah, it's getting there. Yeah, that's an explosion waiting to happen. Yeah, pigeon. I think the best we've got's what, 2 minutes? Yeah. 2.5 minutes?
Yeah.
So you definitely need, I would say this bird's so light, I would run a 1500 milliamp battery that's at least 100C. For those of you that don't remember, these are the Wild Willie 2700 kV on the Space One Aurora, and it is just absolutely fucking stupid. I thought the pop tests were bad. I mean, just like insane. That's the second pack Ian's flown through it, and I flew one through it. I'll put up the DVR after this. Go build this. I'm telling you. JJ's recipe for Psycho. Awesome. Bye, kids.
Fuck A.
She calls me Goliath and I wear the David mask. I guess the stones are coming too fast for her now. You know I'd like to believe this nervousness will pass. All the stones that are thrown are building up a wall. I have become calm the soul to this world. I have become calm the soul to my girl. I'd like to believe we could reconcile the past, resurrect those bridges with ancient glass. But my old stone face can't seem to break her down. She remembers bridges, burns them to the ground. I have become calm the soul to this world.
Bam, JJ! Hope you like fishing. Bam, JJ! Hey, JJ! Hope you like fishing.